Hello students, in this lesson we are going to check the answers for our previous day questions, which is all about linear equations. If you have not done the problems yet, then please refer the previous video, complete the problems, and here you will get the answers. Now, before we begin, hit subscribe now so you don't miss any easy math hacks, and in order to join our live practice, do check out my paid Zoom classes. The link is there in the description. So let's begin our math challenge 16, which is linear equation. So let's take the first question. Solve the equation 0.35x minus 0.025 equals to 0.32x plus 0.023. Now, the first step, let's transpose all our x terms to the left hand side. So 0.35x minus 0.32x, because when it comes to the other side, plus will become minus, equals to 0.023 is already on the right hand side, so keep it as such. Now bring this 0.025 to the right hand side, so minus will become plus 0.025. Now subtract these two, you get 0.03x equals to 0.048. Now we want x alone, so try to remove the 0.03 by transposing it to the other side. So x equals to 0.048 divided by 0.03. So when you cancel them out, you get x equals to, we know that 3 times of 16 gives you 4.48. So now here, since because of decimals, you get 1.6. So this is our answer for our first problem. So let's check our second problem. If 24 less than 5 times the number is 26, then the number is. So here, the unknown here is the number. So let's take it as x. So 5 times, so let's break it out. So 5 times a number is nothing but 5x. Is means you have to put equals to 26. 24 less than this. So 5x, 24 less, so we subtract it. Always remember, less means you have to subtract. Is 26. Now we found the unknown. We found the mathematical statement. Now go for solving it using transposing method or balancing method. So now I'm taking this 24 to this other side. So 5x equals to 26 is already there. Keep it as such. 24 goes to the other side. So it becomes plus 24. So 5x equals to 50. So x equals to 50 divided by 5, which is 10. So the number is 10. So let's check it again. So 5 times 10 is 50. 50 minus 24 is 26. So obviously our answer is right. Right? Now let's go to the third question, which is a word problem. In a set of 3 consecutive, as I told you already, consecutive means 3 continuous numbers, which comes one after the other, like 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, right? Natural numbers, meaning that you should not take 0. The sum of the last 2 numbers is equal to 3 times the first number. So here we have to make the mathematical statement. Find sum of all the 3 numbers. Here, in order to find the sum of the 3 numbers, first we have to find the numbers itself, right? So let's take this question separately. So let's find the 3 numbers first. So since there are 3 numbers, it's not 3 different variables, right? Here is the hint which says consecutive, which means which lies one after the other. So you can frame the equation with one variable itself. How? Let's take the first number be x. The next number will be x plus 1. The next number will be x plus 2. Okay. So these 3 are the 3 numbers. You can ask me, ma'am, why can't we take x, y, z? Because 3 numbers, 3 unknowns, right? But when you take 3 variables, then you need 3 equations to solve it. Whereas the condition is very simple, which you can frame it in one single equation. So you have to bring the 3 unknowns to a single variable. Instead of writing y, I'll try to write in terms of my x alone, which is x plus. So 3 consecutive means which comes one after the other. So they change by 1 only. So x, the next number will be x plus 1. The next number will be x plus 2. Clear? So it's a linear one variable equation. Now the statement, the sum of the last two numbers. The last two numbers are the two bigger numbers, right? So sum of these two, which is x plus 1 plus x plus 2, sum of these two is equal to 3 times your first number, which is x. So now add the like terms. X plus x gives you 2x plus, add the like terms again, 1 plus 2 is 3 equals to 3x. Now the next step, group all the x's to one side and all the constants to the other side. So let me take this 2x to this side, because when I bring 3x to this side, it will become negative x. Then again I have to remove that negative sign, right? To make it simpler, I'll take this 2x to the other side. So 3x minus 2x equals to 3. So my x is equals to 3. 3x minus 2x is x. So x equals to 3. So the first number is 3. What will be my next consecutive number? 4. The next consecutive number would be 5. So we found the 3 consecutive numbers, and the question is not yet over. The question is, again we have to substitute. That's our final step. Okay. So check whether we have answered the question. Did they ask you to find the 3 numbers? No. They want sum of the 3 numbers. So sum is nothing but addition of all the 3 numbers. So 3 plus 4 plus 5, which gives you 7 plus 5 is 12. So 12 is our final answer. So the sum of the 3 numbers is 12. I hope you understand this lesson, right? So linear equations are the most simple but easy to score topic. I hope you understood now. And if you found this lesson useful, then click the like button, and to join our live class, do check out the link in the description. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow with the next lesson, which is simultaneous linear equation. See you.